Okay, welcome back, precious student. We are still on indices. Today we are going to tackle 2013 Wassce private objective question number 37. And there is a question: solve bracket of 1 over 125 exponent x minus bracket of 1 over 25 exponent by 3 over 4, which is equal to 0. So here we are solving for the value of x. Okay, so let's start. We have 1 over 125 or exponent by x minus bracket of 1 over 25 or exponent by 3 over 4. 3 over 4, and they are all equal to 0. So here we will send this one to the other side of the equal sign. So we have a bracket of 1 over 125 exponent by x, then equal to 1 over 25 exponent by 3 over 4. So 1 over 125 can be written as 1 over 5 exponent 3 or exponent by x, and it's equal to, and 1 over 25 can also be, 25 can be written as 5 exponent 2, and all these one also exponent by 3 over 4. Let's go to the other side. So here let's rewrite it again: 1 over 5 over 5 exponent 3 and all exponent by x, and it's equal to 1 over 5 exponent by 2, and this one to all exponent by 3 over 4. So this one can also be written as, instead of 1 over 5 exponent 3, we can write it as the reciprocal. So 5 exponent negative 3, then exponent by x, and this one too can be written as 5 exponent negative 2 also times 3 over 4. So here the negative 3 and x will multiply, so we will have it to be 5 exponent negative 3x negative 3x equal to 5 exponent, and here the 4 will, the negative 2 will go into itself 1, it will go into 4, how many? 2. So we have it to be negative 3 over 2. Negative 3 over 2. So looking at these two numbers, we can see that these two numbers, the base are the same. We have here base 5 and here base 5. So because the base are the same, we are going to equate the exponent. So we have negative 3x equal to negative 3 over 2. Negative 3x equal negative 3 over. So first of all, let's get rid of the coefficient of x, which is negative 3. So meaning we are going to divide through by negative 3, and all these one also divided by negative 3. So this negative 3 will cancel the coefficient of this. Then we have it to be s is equal to negative 3 over 2 divided by negative 3. So if negative 3 over 2 divided by negative 3, then it's going to be s equal negative 3 over 2, then times negative 1 over 3. Then we got it to be negative 3 over 6. So again we'll make it positive. We'll make it positive, which is s is equal to that one. 3 will go into itself 1, it will go here, how many? 2. So we have x to be equal to 1 over 2. So therefore we got x to be equal to positive 1 over 2. X to be equal to positive 1 over 2. Welcome back, students. We are still on indices. Today we are going to do 2013 Wassce private theory question number 1A. And there is a question. It says that if 2 exponent x plus 2 times 8 exponent 3 equal 1, find a value of x. So we are going to find the value of x. So solution. We have 2 exponent x plus 2 times 8 exponent x, and is equal to 1. So here 8 can be written as 2 exponent 3. So we have this one, 2 exponent x plus 2 times 2 exponent 3. That one is meant for 8. Then it will multiply the x and is equal to, and 1 2 can also be written as 2 exponent 0. We want the base to be the same. So we have here 2 exponent x plus 2. Let's write the 2 exponent 3x here. We have it 2 exponent 3x and equal to 2 exponent. So we have 2 exponent x plus 2 plus 3x 0, and it's equal to 2 exponent 0. 2 exponent 0. So let's continue. So x plus 3x will give us 4x. We have here to be 2 equal to 2 exponent 0. And because the bases are the same, we equate the exponent. So we have 4x plus 2 equal to 0. So we have 4x equal negative 2. We are finding x, not the coefficient of x. So we divide both sides by 4. Here by 4. So this 4 will cancel this 4. And 2 goes into itself, negative 1. And goes into 4. 2. Because here is negative. That is why we got a negative 1 here. So we have x to be equal to negative 1 over 2. X to be equal to negative 1 over 2. So this is how you go through to solve for x. Okay, welcome precious students. We are still on indices. Today we are moving on to 2013 Wassce June objective question number 1. And there is a question. Solve the equation 2 exponent bracket of 9x minus 3 or equal 8 exponent bracket of 3 minus x. We are finding the value of x. Solution. We have 2 exponent bracket of 9x minus 3 and all equal 8 exponent bracket of 3 minus x. So here we still maintain the 2, then bracket of 9x minus 3 and it's equal to, but 8 can be written as 2 exponent 3 then times the bracket, which is 3 minus x. And let's continue. So we have 2 exponent bracket of 9x minus 3 equal to 2 exponent. 3 times 3 will give us what? Will give us 9. Then 3 times x will give us what? Minus 3x. Okay. So because the bases are the same, we have the base here to be 2 and the base here also to be 2. We equate the exponent. Because the bases are the same, we equate the exponent. So we have 9x minus 3 equal to 9 minus 3x. So let's group like terms. So by grouping like terms, we have 9x plus 3x. Because this 3x, when you group like term, it becomes positive, which is equal to 9. And this 3 is negative. The moment you group like terms, it becomes positive 3. So 9x plus 3x will give us 12x, and it's equal to 12. Now we are solving for x, not 12x, so we divide both sides by the coefficient of x. So here by the coefficient is what? 12, and here by 12. So this 12 will cancel the coefficient, and 12 goes into itself 1. It goes to 12, also 1. So we have x to be equal to 1. So therefore x will give us 1. S will give us 1. Thank you, student. This is the method you go through to solve for the value of x.